Welcome the our channel. Today we how to start content creation with Medium, full guide step by step clearly. Creating a Medium account is the first step in your content creation journey. Visit the Medium website and click on Get Started. You can sign up using your email, Google account, or Facebook account. Once you've created your account, complete your profile. Add a profile picture, a short bio, and links to your social media if desired. Now that your profile is set, it's time to explore Medium. Browse popular stories and topics to get a feel for what engages readers. Pay attention to the writing style and format of successful articles. Identify your niche or area of interest for future content. Next, start drafting your first article. Choose a compelling topic that resonates with your audience. Write a captivating headline to grab attention. Be sure to structure your article with clear sections and headings. Include an introduction to outline your main points. Use images or graphics to enhance your article visually. Keep your paragraphs concise and to the point for better readability. After writing, revise and edit your content to ensure clarity and accuracy. Utilize Medium's formatting tools to improve the look of your article. When you're satisfied, click on the Publish button. Add relevant tags to increase discoverability. Consider sharing your article on social media networks to reach a broader audience. Engage with readers by responding to comments on your article. Follow other writers and publications on Medium to build your network. Consistency is key, so aim to publish regularly. Keep track of your performance through Medium's stats dashboard. Analyze which topics and formats resonate most with your audience. Continuously improve your writing based on feedback and analytics. Over time, consider joining Medium's partner program for monetization opportunities. Stay updated with Medium's features and community guidelines to enhance your experience. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.